If you clicked on this video, you're probably on the side of the road trying to figure out how to get to the spare tire on your Gladiator. Let's get to it. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Juan Carlos. If you haven't been here, if you've been here, welcome back. I'm going to show you quickly how to get to your spare tire. On the Gladiator, your spare tire, it's underneath the bed, right there. You're going to get your tool that came with the kit of the jack, and you're going to insert this piece make sure you have the thicker end versus the skinny end. There's a groove, just follow the groove with the thicker end, and it's gonna lock in with your spare tire. Now you're gonna turn, you're gonna crank it counterclockwise, and you will be bringing down the spare tire from the bottom of the Gladiator. So you can see that the spare tire is on the floor. Once the spare tire is on the floor, you want to get your bracket, and you're just gonna pull it out. So you get your bracket, you just pull this out. Now your spare tire is loose. Okay, go ahead and remove your spare tire now. Your spare tire has a very basic rim that you're not going to want to drive around. So if you want to rotate your spare tire, I suggest you get a rim to match your other rims around the Gladiator. Now, so you can see the bay of the spare tire. This bay does fit a 35-inch tire. Once you change your spare tire, just go ahead and reverse the process. Go ahead and get your bracket in the center of the spare tire, like so, and you're ready to crank it up. You're going to store away your spare tire by cranking it clockwise. She starts to lift. Tighten her up, I don't over tighten it. Let's go back and let me show you where the jack is stored inside the Gladiator. It's going to be in the rear seat passenger. Just lift the bottom up here. And that's your jack right there. Unstrap the straps. This is what you're going to use to take out the spare tire from underneath the Gladiator. Let's get the parts out. Just gonna pull them out like so. These are the three parts you're going to need. You're going to need these three extenders, and this is going to be your crank. So I suggest you get these three fastened together. Let's go ahead and put the tools back together. Just want to get your socket or insert it. Little Velcro, insert it inside the Velcro like so. I will get this hook in a second. And the rest There you are, back inside the little pouch. You're ready to put it inside the back of the seat on the passenger. Just gonna strap it back on to the jack. Jack secured. Gonna strap it back on to the jack. You wanna come from the front with your straps. Just place it on top of the jack, like so. Just sit there and just strap it on. Call it a day. Thank you for taking the time to watch this short video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button for future videos. So next time, everybody.